Welcome to this tutorial on how to sell ebooks on Etsy, a platform primarily known for handmade and vintage items, but also a great place to sell digital products like ebooks. To get started, you need to have an Etsy account. If you don't have one, create one and set up your shop. First, you need to create your ebook. This can be a PDF file or any other format that can be easily downloaded. Make sure your ebook is of high quality and provides value to your customers. Once you have created your ebook, you need to set up a digital download on Etsy. To do this, go to your shop and click on Add a new listing. Choose the category Digital and select the type of digital product you are selling. In this case, an ebook. Then upload your ebook file and add a description. This should include what your ebook is about, what your customers can expect to learn, and any other relevant details. You also need to set a price for your ebook. This will depend on the length and quality of your ebook, as well as what similar ebooks are selling for on Etsy. Make sure to research your competition and price your ebook competitively. Next, you need to add some tags to your listing. This will help your ebook show up in search results. Use relevant keywords that customers might use when searching for an ebook like yours. You can also add some images to your listing. This could be a cover image or some screenshots from inside your ebook. Once you have set up your listing, you can publish it and start selling your ebook. When a customer purchases your ebook, they will be able to download it immediately. You can also use Etsy's built-in analytics to track your sales and see how your ebook is performing. To increase sales, make sure to promote your ebook on social media and other platforms. You can also offer discounts or promotions to encourage customers to buy. Another great way to increase sales is to offer excellent customer service. Respond to any questions or concerns your customers may have and make sure they are happy with their purchase. By following these steps, you can successfully sell ebooks on Etsy. Remember to always follow Etsy's policies and guidelines, and to provide high-quality ebooks that provide value to your customers. With the right ebook and marketing strategy, you can earn passive income and grow your business on Etsy.